how to grow a new TikTok account. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can grow your brand new TikTok account with the smart strategies. So let's get started. We know that TikTok is a short video sharing platform that allows you to share videos, and it's a very fun platform that gained a lot of popularity back in 2020. TikTok now is one of the very famous applications out there with billions of users. On TikTok, we can share videos and we can grow our account, and we know that TikTok gives you the fame and money as well. So everybody now wants to join TikTok, and if you have recently joined TikTok, or maybe you have been around for a long time but you did not get that famous, and you're actually looking for different tips and tricks to grow your TikTok account, I will show you how we do it and what are the different proven tips for you guys so that you can know. The first thing that you need to do is, of course, create a brand new account on TikTok, or if you already have an account. So the first thing that you need to do is actually do a self-reflection. If you're already posting videos, then take a moment to realize that what kind of content you are posting. Because if your content is not getting famous and people are not liking it, then it's time to change it. So the first thing that we do is find inspiration. You need to make TikToks on trending topics, and you need to make TikToks that people actually want to see. So for that, you should get inspiration from famous TikTokers and see that what they do. Of course, everybody has their own skills. Maybe some TikTokers are dancers and you don't know how to dance, but you can actually see that what kind of music they are using and use that music. Make sure to make content that is actually trendy and that is fun, because everybody loves fun TikToks. So that is the first thing. You can check out different famous TikTokers that you know about or you are interested in or are famous in your particular skill. For example, if you are a musician, you can check out different musicians, what kind of TikToks they are making. If you are a dancer, then you can check out different dancer TikTokers and what music they are using and what kind of videos they are making, or what are the famous dance moves right now. If you are into cooking, then you can check out the cooking channels and, vice versa. So you can just simply go ahead and search for different accounts on TikTok. Next thing that you can do is you can use Pinterest. Pinterest is a social media application and also a search engine that allows us to search anything. So on Pinterest, what you can do is you can search for any kind of inspiration. You can sign up for Pinterest, pinterest.com, go on the search bar and search for different inspiration. Let's say that you want to make an outfit video. So you can search different outfits on Pinterest and get an idea that what are the cool outfits you can go for. Then if you are into cooking videos, you can search for new recipes. If you are into hairstyles, you can search for that. If you're into animal videos, you can search for that. So it's all about getting inspiration. Don't feel ashamed of that. Don't feel that you will be copying a content. That's not called copying. I'm not saying that you should go ahead and just start creating the same TikToks that someone else is creating, but all you have to do is just get inspiration and know that, okay, this is what I need to create. So that is the first step that you will do. Right now, if you have no inspiration, then I would suggest go ahead and write it down on your notebook that you have to find an inspiration. Now let's move on to the second step. You have your inspiration, you know what you are going to do. You need to be consistent. That's really important on TikTok, because we see that on TikTok, we actually get hundreds to thousands of videos on our For You page, and everybody is just scrolling. If you're posting one video a week or one video in 2 days, people will scroll up and it will vanish from their feed. So you need to upload more videos, upload more than 5 videos a day, or, upload every day. Be consistent with your account if you want to grow on TikTok. That is one of the advice that every TikToker will give you. Be confident in your content that you're creating and post your content every day. You can take breaks when you're, there, but for now you will have to be punctual with your post and you will have to give your audience a content every day. The third thing that you need to do is make sure your videos are high quality videos. Don't just go with a random content and follow your niche. Then you can use different editing applications. For example, you can use Canva.com, which is a free editing application, a designing tool that allows you to use different fun, cool templates. So what you can do is you can actually create mobile videos and edit your videos using Canva. So on Canva, we can add text, we can add graphics, we can do a lot more. So if your video is well edited and it has very cool contents and your video has very fun and cool aspects to it, animations, people will like to watch it. You can use Canva for free. It's an online tool as well. So there are other tools as well. I would suggest Canva. I have personally used Canva and created TikToks, ads for Facebook, Instagram posts, and it's really, really good. So you can use Canva and create fun TikToks for your TikTok account. So now we have our own inspiration. We know what we are going to post, and we will be posting every day. And we will also be using a tool to edit our videos and to make it more professional. So we have all of these things. The next thing that I want you guys to do is another trick, a tip that I have for you is that go ahead and sign up for any of the project management software or a tool, because we actually want to grow our TikTok account and we have to be serious about it. So what you can do is you can sign up for Trello. Trello is one of the project management software, free to use, very easy to sign up for. You can sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your email address. Once you are on Trello, what you can do is you can go ahead and create a board, a content management board or a content creation board. For example, I have this board right here, which is a content creation board. So what you can do is we can create fun boards, and in these boards, we keep track of our progress. I can go ahead and create different statuses. For example, that what ideas I have in mind. You are looking to create TikTok videos. You have ideas, okay? You have 10 ideas, or you were using TikTok. You can just go to Trello quickly and create a new tag. For example, video about. So you can simply create a card saying that you will create a new video on this sound or this music. Click on add card and a new card will be created. Then you can also edit the labels, you can change the covers, copy this one, whatever. So these are going to be your ideas. Right now I actually have other lists, for example, to do, in progress, error, and complete, but we can create another list for you guys. For example, ideas. Okay, perfect. Then I can create another one, which is going to be video posted. You can see now I have these cards. So I can create different ideas here, and then I can make the video and move the card to video posted. This way I will be able to track my progress and I will get more and more good ideas. Then I can add different videos right here. For example, all my most viewed videos. I can create the ones that did not get views. I can create the videos that I plan to do, my goals, my inspiration in my Trello card right here. So it's my own planner. You can use a notebook as well, or you can use your own content creation board online. So it's going to be very easy. You can also share it with your team. If you have a team or if you have friends, you have a group, for example, like Sway House, or a lot of friends make TikToks. So you can just manage it with your team as well. We get power-ups, we get automation. This is really, really good for you guys to really get into it and make your account professional, make your growing process professional, and keep track of everything that you're doing for your TikTok account. So then you will be able to grow your TikTok account very easily, and you will be able to become famous. If you follow these steps, then you will be able to increase your account engagement by 50%, and you will be able to get famous on TikTok, make fun videos, have fun with it, don't stress it, it's okay. And then finally, you will be able to grow your TikTok account. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to grow your new TikTok account. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.